Like this. Oi. You tired? Stinky. Look at the baby. His collar goes hard. Hi, Tessa. He's so beautiful. You're so perfect. Oh, he's all tuckered out. He's sleeping. Look at his floppy ears. They're gonna be up here. That's his name. It's Mochi. Oh yeah, YouTube video out tomorrow, by the way. The Disney vlog is going to be out tomorrow at 12 Pacific time. And the Mochi vlog is going to come out whenever that comes out. I'm mad at Disney. They tricked me. He's so pretty. He slept on the car ride back, and then like he woke up when I got around the house. He got I was on the highway and nearly died. He kept because when we were 5 minutes away from the house, it was a mile to the last exit. Thanks for I'm very rich. I followed you back. It was a mile to the last exit. Oh, thanks for I'm very rich. I followed you back. And he woke up at the last mile and then started not flipping out, but he was trying to explore the car, and he kept getting out of his his little baby seat that I had for him, and wandering around the car. And I was like, bro, get back in your seat. And he kept walking everywhere, and I was just swerving the car because I had one hand on the dash, one hand trying to deal with him. But yeah. Thanks for I'm very rich. I followed you. Okay, well I lost it. Damn. Wait, no, I found you. Thank you for I'm very rich, Ito. I followed you back. Thanks for I'm very rich. The pigeons be wildin'. I followed you back. Thanks for I'm very rich. Followed you back. Just look at him. He's so pretty. He's a Doberman. A Doberman pinscher. Thanks for that. I'm very rich, Olivia. I followed you back. This is my baby. This is who's going to be taking over my content for the next 5 years. Thanks for that. I'm very rich, Sarah. I'm already following you. I love you. Thank you for gifting. He's awake. Thank you for I'm very rich, curly lettuce. I followed you back. Look, Mochi. They're all sending gifts for you, buddy. Oh, he's pouting as I woke him up. Thanks for I'm very rich. I followed you back. Or I'm trying to. Thanks for I'm very Josh, thank you for I'm very rich. Need to give this stinky a bath. Thanks for I'm very rich. Alana, I followed you back. Thanks for I'm very rich. Avani Rockstar Bay, I followed you back. He's so pretty. Look at him. He's so pretty. I love this puppy. Thanks for the I'm very rich. I followed you back. Thanks for the legendary. Maddie, I'm already following you. Thank you. I'm very rich. Roby. I'm trying to follow you back. There we go. He's so pretty. Okay. I'm gonna put Mochi to sleep in his bed. So thanks for looking at him with me. This is my puppy. This is who you guys are gonna be seeing a lot of. Thank you, I'm very rich. I followed you back. Sure.